Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 1, Week 5, Day 1. Listen carefully as I say 3 words: bread, break, drum. 2 of these words begin with the same 2 sounds. 1 does not. Bread and break begin with burr. Drum does not begin with burr, so drum does not belong. Let's do a couple more. Skate, spin, spot. The one that does not belong would be skate because it's sk, sk. Okay, next, grin, truck, grape. So truck does not belong. Crack, crumb, pond. So crack, crumb, proud. So purr does not belong, proud. Snow, snap, stay. Stay does not belong. Stop, style, tick. Stop, style, tick. So tick does not belong. Small, sweet, smoke. Sweet does not belong. Grow, frog, fruit. Grow does not belong. Drop, drink, praise. Praise does not belong. Okay friends, this week we have a lot of learning with blends. So last week we did L blends. This week we're doing R blends and S blends. So I'll help you with this song for a while till we get used to it. So it's P-R, P-R, purr, purr, purr. Pretty prune, purr, purr, purr. T-R, T-R, chur, chur, chur. Trick or treat, chur, chur, chur. Like you're ringing the doorbell. G-R, G-R, grr, grr, grr. Grumpy grouch, grr, grr, grr. B-R, B-R, burr, burr, burr. Brown bread, burr, burr, burr. C-R, C-R, cur, cur, cur. Creepy crab, cur, cur, cur. D-R, D-R, dur, dur, dur. Dreadful dragon, dur, dur, dur. F-R, F-R, fur, fur, fur. Brownie frog, fur, fur, fur. S-K, S-K, sk, sk, sk. Skunky skunk, sk, sk, sk. S-P, S-P, sp, sp, sp. Sparkle spin, sp, sp, sp. S-T, S-T, st, st, st. Sticky stairs, st, st, st. S-W, S-W, sw, sw, sw. Swiftly swing, sw, sw, sw. S-M, S-M, sn, sn, sn. Smelly smoke, sn, sn, sn. S-N, S-N, sn, sn, sn. Sneezy snake, sn, sn, sn. Okay, friends, I will help you today. We're going to blend. Okay, so we have 2 sounds. St. Okay, blend. Stop. Word, stop. Okay, next. Creepy crab, cur, crack. Word, crack. T-R, trick or treat, trip. What's the word? Trip. Sneezy snake, snap. Word, snap. Dreadful dragon, drop. What's the word? Drop. Okay, so friends, you'll notice most of these are blends, and blends have 2 sounds. You have to remember that. So if I say frog, you would go g. Fur is not one of the sounds in the alphabet. It's Okay, 3, 2, 1, fur. 3, 2, 1, st. 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, over here. 3, 2, 1, sw. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, tur. 3, 2, 1, gur. 3, 2, 1, ah. 3, 2, 1, k. 3, 2, 1, sn. 3, 2, 1, ah. And last, 3, 2, 1, bull. Now we're going to be doing a lot of this together because this is the first time you've had R and S blends. Okay, so frog. What's the word? Frog. Okay, this is sticky stairs. Stick. Word, stick. Okay. Swiftly swing, swiftly swing. Swim. What's the word? Swim. Trap. Word, trap. Grumpy grouch. Grin. Word, grin. Skin. Word, skin. Brag. Word, brag. Grab. Word, grab. Okay, this is sn. Now I'm going to let you blend the rest of it. This is sn. Blend. Word, snap. This is sp. Blend. Blend. Word, spin. This is burr. Brown bread. Burr. Blend. Blend. Word, brick. This is tur. Blend the rest. Word, trot. Okay, you can do this one. Do it in your head if you can. If you can't, make the sounds. 3, 2, 1, rag. Now I'll do the next one with you. Drag. Drag. So all I did to change this word is add a D. See, rag becomes drag. Okay, your turn. Do this in your head. Word, sack. Now we're going to add the T. So it's st. Let's blend it. Stack. Word, stack. Okay. See how we changed it just with one letter? Okay, next one. Okay, this is cur. Do the rest if you can in your head. Blend. Blend. Word, crab. Okay, we'll do this one together. Crib. Word, crib. Your turn, it's bowl. Blend the rest. Word, block. So some of these are L blends. Here's another L blend, soul. Let's blend it. Slap. Word, slap. Your turn, this is soul. Blend it in your, blend it. Blend. Word, slip. Clip. Word, clip. Next is your turn. This is full. Do it in your head if you can. Whoops. Blend it. Flag. Okay, we'll do this one together. Plop. Word, plop. Okay, we have a capital, so this is either a name, a beginning of a sentence, or both. Let's blend it. Fran. Fran is a name, but it's also the beginning of a sentence. So this says Fran and Scott. Fran and Scott see a big frog. Now let's read it. Fran and Scott see a big frog. Do we have a capital? Yes. Finger space? Yes. Spelling? Yes. Legible? Yes. End mark? Yes. What is my end mark? 3, 2, 1. Period. So friends, we will be testing you on this. You need to know that we have a capital at the beginning of a word, we have finger space, and we have the correct end marks. Okay, let's read this next one. Stan, that's a name. Spills, Stan spills his glass in the grass. Together, Stan spills his glass in the grass. Do we have our capital? Yes. Finger space, yes. Legible, that means I can read it, yes. Handwriting, no, we did handwriting. Spelling, yes. Fingers, end mark, yes. And what's my end mark? 3, 2, 1. A period. Okay, let's look at some more. We have some more sentences. So we're going to talk about this after we read the sentence. I can swim, skip, and spin. Do you notice my little commas? When I am making a list of things, I put a comma after the first and second item. So I can swim, comma, skip, comma, and spin. So the comma tells me I'm saying a list. So if I went to the grocery store, I would say, I need milk, comma, eggs, comma, and bread. So when I'm making a list of three or more things, I always put commas. And remember, a comma is a pause. So I'm going, I can swim, skip, and spin. I'm kind of stopping for a second. Okay. Oh, and here's the rest. Can you? It's a question. Remember, this is a question. Exclamation mark or a period. Okay, here is our story for today. Tom can. Let's read it. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Can. 3, 2, 1. The. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. On. 3, 2, 1. You. 3, 2, 1. See. 3, 2, 1. In. 3, 2, 1. It. Okay, we're going to skip those because I put them in the wrong spot. Then we'll come back to them. Okay, here's our story. Tom can. Your turn. Tom can. Okay, I'm going to let you do it. Remember, our focus is short O, says ah. Oh wait, no it's not. Last week was ah. So remember, we're doing ah for this story. Okay? Okay, together. Tom can pop the top. He's going to pop that off. Okay? Your turn. Together. Tom can mop a lot. He's going to clean. Okay, your turn. Together. Tom can sit on top. He's going to sit there and put the groceries away. Okay, here we go. Your turn. Okay, next. Tom can tap a hot pot. So he's going to tap that. Okay, next. Together. Can you see Tom in it? It's a story. Okay, we're going to do our high frequency words. So this is the word jump. Say the word with me. Jump. The word jump is spelled J-U-M-P. Spell it with me. J-U-M-P. Let's write it in the air. J-U-M-P. It says, I jump into the pool. This is the word move. Say the word with me. Move. Move is spelled M-O-V-E. Spell the word with me. M-O-V-E. And let's write it in the air. M-O-V-E. And the sentence is, can you move this big box? This is the word run. Spell the word with me. Run. The word run is spelled R-U-N. Spell the word with me. R-U-N. Let's write it in the air. R-U-N. We will run to school. This is the word to. The number 2. Read it with me. To. The word to is spelled T-W-O. Spell it with me. T-W-O. Let's write it in the air. T-W-O. Brad has 2 black cats. Okay, so once again, a sentence is a statement that tells me something. Brad can skip up the hill. Who? Brad. And what can he do? Go skip up the hill. Okay, I like yams. Who? I. And what is it? Like. And then this one, is this a sentence? The sits here? That doesn't make sense. That's not a sentence. I like yams is a sentence. Is the cat? Does that make sense? No, because we don't know what the cat's doing. So that's not a sentence either. Okay, friends, I'm out of time, so I'll see you later. Bye.